name's Robert Lloyd. I'm the owner-manager of Lloyd's Collision Center. I've been in the collision industry for about 20 years now. We have 2 shops in the East San Diego area, one in Santee, one in Lakeside. Between the 2 shops, we have about 35 employees. We do about $500,000 in sales and about 150 cars a month. We use Mitchell Cloud Estimating for all of our estimating as well as communications with the insurance company. We use Repair Center for our management program as well as all the diagnostic tooling for pre and post scans. And we use the MD-TS21 for ADAS calibrations at the end of the repairs. By utilizing the MD500, it gives us the ability to do a post-repair scan, clear all those repair-related codes and make sure that there's no unseen issues that are left. And then we also utilize the MD-TS21 to do in-house ADAS calibrations. It's a great way to capture that profitability as well as not have to sublet it to outside vendors, which can have delays to getting those cars completed. All of the Mitchell products work with the collision industry. They're designed around that, so it speeds up everything on the estimating side, the production side. We use it across the board for our management program, so all of our technicians have the ability to see where the cars are in the repair process, what's the status on parts and availabilities, and really just makes things go smooth and communicate better.